Joger e kaunti ma Kisumu ne oyudo tiegruok ewi chike mag gedo ma pacho ka ma itiyo godo kokalo e oboke moyiedhi mar migawo mar udi. Tiegruok ma kamano ne otaa kod duol mar National Construction Authority mane otayo tiegruok ma kamano kaluwore kod puoth ne chikno mar gedo. Gimedo ni en tij counties mar puodho kit gedo kendo kochakore tarik 1 dweni ute te migero gibiro neno ni otim kare kaluwore kod chike mane opuodhi.
Things are followed. The consultants are just to guide. The Catholic, the strength and fire rating. I think with that, I just want to conclude. And chief officer are Catholics. So you do whatever.
County government is the approver of building designs. We will strive to ensure that we approve according to the provisions of the new code. We shall do both from our side using our enforcement officers to ensure that there is compliance. 1968 is a long, long time ago. Some of the technologies which are in place now were not there in place. Even things like electrical were very far-fetched those days. We have also moved from specifying the size and the kind of material to performance specification.
Because when it comes to safety, it's a security issue. And on security, usually we say there is no compromise. We must ensure that our people are safe. And we want to ask all our people to follow, strictly adhere to the code, so that whatever buildings we construct, whatever structures we put up, are safe.